Hello, I'm Daniel Finity and I'm the Programme Lead for the new Paramedic Science programme here at Glyndŵr University. The thing about studying paramedic science here at Glyndŵr University would be the fact that it's a brand new programme, so what we've been able to do is create a modern programme that creates a modern day paramedic that's fit for purpose. It's also a programme that's been written post-COVID, so we can take what we've learnt during COVID, so the advantages of blended learning, online learning, virtual simulation. We can take all that and then incorporate it into the programme. It's also the first provision of paramedic science here in North Wales, so it gives the opportunity for people to live local, study local, and then eventually work local. The paramedic science course here at Glyndŵr University is going to appeal to a lot of the local population, so many people in North Wales. So it's the first provision. It gives newly graduating from college, so young students, the opportunity to start their career in paramedic science. But as it's the first provision of the course, it's also allowing some older, mature students who have been waiting for the opportunity to study paramedic science in North Wales. So I anticipate that the cohort will be a mixture of young A-level leaving students or BTEC leaving students, those who have just started college, but also those who have been looking to start a career in the pre-hospital setting in paramedic science. Students will come to the university, take advantage of the new simulation equipment, high fidelity simulations, in-class teaching and problem solving. And with a strong emphasis on practice-based education, half of the course is going to be placed in clinical placements. So a lot of our clinical placements will be with the Welsh Ambulance Service, where students will be responding to emergency urgent calls along with their practice educators and mentors, seeing what it's like to be a paramedic. However, we're also going to offer alternative placements. So the paramedic profession is changing, so we're going to allow students to experience that by going to care homes, hospital departments, and also other private healthcare providers. While students are on clinical placements, they'll be assigned a mentor or a practice educator who will be able to support them and guide them through their learning and be there while they're responding to emergency and urgent calls. Then also here at the university, there's student support services who can help people with academic skills, writing, referencing, financial support, accommodation support. I think the most exciting thing about having paramedic science here at Glyndŵr University will be the fact that it's a new provision for North Wales. It's been heavily supported by Health Education Improvement Wales, also by the Welsh Ambulance Service, so they're there to support students that are going to study this course. It's exciting that North Wales is getting this opportunity for students to live local, study local, and eventually work local. And I think it's a really exciting time for the university, but also paramedic practice in Wales.